How to fix SIM card not working or network error after software update on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, open control center, so just swipe down. So first of all, restart phone, so click on this power icon and click on restart. So after click on restart and again click on restart. After click on restart, you will see phone is restarting. So after restarting, refresh phone and you will see your problem is solved. So if it not solved, so remove sim dish and clean the help with the help of tissue paper. After clean sim and sim dish and again insert. So after insert sim, you will see your problem is solved. So if it's still not solved, so go to app library and click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on general management. So after click on general management, scroll down and click on reset. So after click on reset mobile network setting. So click on reset settings. So after the process, go back to home screen. So just it's reset all setting. It's not clean and remove your phone memory and data. So after the process, refresh phone. So that's how you can fix SIM card not working or network error after software update on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.